Hi, today is our first day of ecology, so here's our do now. What is an ecosystem? Name a biotic factor from any ecosystem. Name an abiotic factor from the same ecosystem. The day before, we had a pre-test to see where we stood with ecology, so we're going to go through some of our things we did today. I will learn about abiotic and biotic factors in the ecosystem and how organisms compete for them. That's today's learning target. I can define ecosystems. I can label biotic and abiotic parts of an ecosystem, use the vocabulary, and define competition, as well as give examples. Those are our success criteria. So when we remember these, we want to remember that organisms are an individual, a population is a group of similar individuals, a community is that population plus a few others, and the ecosystem is all of these different communities joined together to form one larger body. If you look on today's slide, this is a really great little ecosystems video. It's worth your time. It's about 4.5 minutes. After that ecosystem, look, we got a brand new digital notebook. You are going to complete slides 4 and 5 together with your table group. As you're writing your goal on slide 4, we want to make sure it's measurable. Can you tell me in 3 weeks if you met this? Why does this goal matter? And you may just use this to relate to a future job, a class you want to take, or just your home or school life right now. This is a great another little 4-minute video. It is on biodiversity. And then on slide 6 in your digital notebook, you are going to write one thing you learned or wondered after watching this video. And then in the other box on slide 6, I'm asking you to look at this picture of the forest ecosystem. Imagine yourself standing in that forest. What do you see? What do you hear? What kind of things are surrounding you? Not just in front of you. So this is kind of cool. Now we're going to go outside and play Oh Deer. There's going to be 4 roles: deer, water, food, and shelter. You should get a chance to be each one. The deer must find food, water, and shelter in order to survive. They will decide what resource it's seeking at the beginning of each round and cannot change the resource till the round is over. Once a deer catches its resource, it takes back to the deer herd, and that resource, now becomes a deer. And I will need to volunteer to record. So we went outside and we did this. And these are just some rules for staying outside. Here's where we're going to put a number of deer at the beginning. After they get a resource, how many deer were at the end. And we're going to do this for about 4 to 6, possibly 10 rounds. Now you're going to graph it. You're going to figure out how to label your X and Y axes, what you want to graph, and what that's going to look like. And then you're going to complete the questions on the back of the sheet. And here are 5 of them. The sheet is actually located in Schoology in your materials area, so that you can look at this and refer back to it and answer the questions. And then our exit ticket is this: if the strangler fig is a vine that starts out as a seed in the tree canopy of the rainforest, and it drops its roots to the canopy floor. By sprouting in the canopy, the strangler fig seedling is exposed to A, more sunlight, B, more soil, C, more nutrients, or D, more consumers. You're going to give that to your teacher on a Post-it note on your way out. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next day.